With the first award this evening, it's the TCT Aerospace and Defence Application Award 2023. The aerospace and defence industries are renowned for leading the way in innovation, from developing new and groundbreaking materials to advanced electronics and automation. It is therefore unsurprising that these industries have been key adapters of 3D printing and additive manufacturing, and we are expecting to see what pioneering applications have been released this year. The highly commended product in this category is Printed Biotech Space Platform by Yuri in partnership with Mtronics. Well done. Congratulations. And now the winner of the TCT Aerospace and Defence Application Award 2023 is the iDump suppressor by Hyphen Innovation in partnership with United States Air Force and Perceptive Engineering Analytics.
Hyphen Innovation have developed a vibration suppression method called inherent damping via additive manufacturing processes to allow the suppression of vibration stresses by up to 95% in critical turbine engine parts. Use of this method can reduce manufacturing time of advanced small compressor suites by more than 90%.